In this video, I want to show you a very quick way in which we can use Excel data inside of WayScript. Let's jump right in. So getting started, I'm inside of a WayScript layer. To use Excel data within this layer, I will pull it over and drag and drop my Excel file into the file browser. Once that loads in, we can use a programming language of our choice. In my example, I will use Python and start using this data. So I will open a new file. You can name it whatever you want, and we'll create it. Once you have your file, we'll be using pandas, so we will import pandas as PD. Once we have this pandas import, it's super simple to start working with our Excel data. We'll say something like df is equal to using the library pd.read Excel, and we'll pass in a file path to the Excel workbook. In this case, it is just the same directory, so it will be the name, sample reports data.xlsx. Once we have this, we already have our data in a format that we can start using and viewing. So I will just say something very simple. So df.head, and we'll show the first 10 lines of our workbook. Perfect. Now this is an environment, so we will need to install pandas into it. We will do that by saying pip install pandas. Awesome. So that installed pandas and also all the dependencies you see. And now once this finishes, we will execute our file by saying python excel worker.py. You see we're missing one dependency, so we'll say pip install open pyxl. Once we have that installed, we'll rerun our command and we get back the first 10 rows. This is a simple way that we can start using Excel data within WayScript. If you have any questions about this or need any help, please let us know and we'll be happy to help. Until next time.